So the Supreme Spring Summer season is finally here, and what better way to start it than go over some highlight items. So when I say highlight items, I'm not just talking about the good items, I'm going to be talking about the complete and utter shit items. So this video should be a little bit interesting. Before we get into this video, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And if you do like these type of videos, I've got a whole catalogue of these videos on my channel. So after this video, please feel free to go check that out. And without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, cool. So the first item we have is a fox fur coat. And all I have to say to this is nice try, pal. Like, this coat is probably the worst coat I've seen in my whole entire existence. Like, all the way down from the Supreme all over print to the fucking fur on it, like including the hood. Like, it's just a no-go. Okay, cool. So the next highlight item, we have the Inset denim jacket. And I can't even lie to you, this is one of my favourite pieces. I don't really rate the black colourway, but the normal denim colourway and then like the faded, fucking lovely. The way that you got the Supreme plastered on the back, but it sort of fades into the actual like jacket, fucking crazy. This is probably going to resell for a fair amount of money, and I'm not surprised if this is going to be one of the highlight items of the season. Okay, cool. So moving on, we have the Scared Heat jacket, and I don't even know what the fuck's going on with this jacket. Like, it looks like someone's just taken this to the mirror dimension or something. Like, literally, like, this jacket is all over the place. It sort of hurts my eyes just looking at it, and yeah, just all around not a big fan. Alright, up next we have the Dado trucker jacket. I can't lie, I rate the creativity on this, obviously with the whole patches going on. But that being said, I don't rate like 80% of these photos. Like, I think they're a bit like cringy and just a bit like just out there. Like, to be fair, like, I reckon they could have used like better photos for this jacket. But I do have to say that cigarette ashtray photo goes fucking crazy. Like, I can't even lie, like with the stubbed out cigarettes in it, and then you got the smiley face. And you already know what colorway slaps the most. It's a fucking brown one. Come on now. Up next we have the Supreme Umbro jacket. Not too great, but the reason why I like it is because it confirms an Umbro collaboration, and you know, Umbro ain't a crazy brand to collaborate with, but obviously, you know, it's Umbro, innit? Like, the thing is about Umbro, like, it's sort of embedded in the English culture, so you know, I have to rate it like that. And also, let me just throw in the football. We're getting 2 footballs from the Umbro collaboration, a box logo football, which is gonna go crazy, and like a camo one, which is fairly decent. Alright, moving on to the Blimp Jacket. It's not actually called a Blimp Jacket, but that's what I'm gonna call it. And I can't even lie to you, this is probably the most American thing I've ever seen in my whole entire existence. The only thing that's missing from this is like American flag or like a redneck or something. Yeah, this is probably one of the worst items in my opinion in the whole entire season. And yeah, I don't really want to talk about this anymore, so let's move on to the next item. Okay, cool. So the next item we have is a Supreme suit, coming in 2 different colorways, a reddish sort of pattern, and then you've just got like a normal black one. And someone please tell me how Supreme went from a skateboard brand to making fucking suits. Although I'm not really a suit person, I do low-key rate this suit, but I never buy it, because like, if I'm gonna buy a suit, I'm gonna buy a suit from an actual suit company, you know. But nonetheless, I do like the pattern on the red one, and yeah, that's all I really have to say. Okay, cool. So moving on to the Motorbike Jacket, and I can't even lie, this actually jars me so much. Like, it feels like every other season Supreme are doing like motorbike jackets. Like, relax with yourself, like, we get it, you know, you like motorbike stuff, but this is not it. This is definitely not it. Like, yeah, just so cringy. Like, yeah, I do not rate this whatsoever. Literally just so tacky as fuck, and yeah, just get the fuck off my screen. Okay, cool. Finally, moving on to an item that I actually rate, the Reversible Fleece. And although there isn't much going on with this fleece, I still rate it. But I can't even lie, 90% of the reason why I rate this is because it's reversible. Like, you're basically getting 2 fleeces out of 1 purchase. Like, come on now, that's deals. But yeah, I can't lie, this fleece is clean. I'm probably not gonna buy one because, you know, it's just not really worth it to me like that. Okay, cool. So moving on to the next item that I'm a bit umming and ahhing about, but I low-key rate anyway. And the item that I'm talking about is a Silver Surfer top. And I don't know what it is yet, but like, both photos just go hard as fuck. Like even the black one, like, it's sort of like, you know, low-key, but you know, it's sort of like a weird flex, like, yeah, heavy. And then the one with like the colors, and he's got like a star in his hand or something, like, I don't know, like, there's a lot going on, and like, I appreciate the creativity in that. But that being said, I wouldn't wear none of these. Like, it's just not my sort of style, but you know, I give credit where credit is due. Okay, cool. Another t-shirt that I do not rate is a credit card shirt, and like, the only way I could ever rate this shirt is like if you could actually use the credit cards to like actually purchase stuff. But other than that, this is just disgusting. Like, this is just way too loud, way too tacky, and yeah, it's just a no from me. Okay, cool. So the next item we have is a Flux Sweater, and oh my days, like this actually goes so fucking hard. Like the design of the front, you got the girl holding the gun with all like a serious face, like, and they didn't just leave it there. You flip it to the back, and it's got a fucking Mac 10 with the Supreme logo under it, like gas. Like, I can't even lie, like, I'm very, very tempted to, like, go purchase this. This is probably going to be, like, 200 plus, but fuck it, it has to be done. But with that being said, I'm pretty let down by, like, the colorways. Like, I don't know, the black is, like, probably the best one, but I wouldn't really wear a black sweater, like maybe like a brown, or like, I don't know, just something that's just a bit, you know, sweatery, you know? Okay, cool, I've sort of just killed my vibe now because I've just seen the next item that I have to talk about. And the next item I have to talk about is a special offer tee. And oh my days, this actually just gives me a headache. I don't know what's worse, the credit card tee or this tee. Like, literally both of them just give me a headache. I don't know what Supreme's trying to do, like try to like cater towards their Japanese China like audience, but this is not it. Like, bruv, just like throw like an anime character in there, or you know, do some Chinese writing or something else. Like, yeah, just completely garbage. Just nothing else to really say, just dead bit of fabric really. Like, yeah, get off my screen. Oh my days. And now we get to the pinnacle of what this video has come to. I really didn't want to have to fucking talk about this item. And I know I said with another item it's probably the worst item of this season, but I changed my mind. This is definitely the worst item of the fucking season. This item was released like, I think like 5 seasons ago, and it wasn't rated then, and now they brought it back and it's still not rated. And the item that I'm talking about is a fucking Bling Box Logo. Ugh, I can't believe them words just came out of my mouth. I'm literally trying to hold back the anger. Like, I'm trying to not just punch my screen in half. Like, this item jars me different. Like, I'm just trying to scratch my head. Like, of all box logos to bring back, yeah, you decided to bring back the Bling Box Logo. Like, this was probably the worst received box logo ever, and you brought it back. For what reason? Like, you don't like your customers or something? Like, that's all I have to really say about this item. I don't really want to go into mad detail about it because it's just giving me a headache anyway. But yeah, we're getting a new Bling Box Logo, so you know, yay. Okay, cool. Another item to lighten up my mood a bit, we have the gas tee, and the name just suits it because this t-shirt is just straight up gas. Like, this is the only tee I really like in the whole tee section. Like, obviously you got the guy just ironing some money, you got the Supreme logo in the back. Like, yeah, like this photo just goes crazy. Like, I probably wouldn't wear it because it's so like just cheesy a bit, but you know, like, I rate it. Okay, cool. So let's move on to the accessories. Okay, cool. So one of the big boy accessories that we got, and probably none of us could even afford or dream to afford. And the item that I'm talking about is a travel trailer. And I can't even lie to you, this is so unnecessary from Supreme. Like, who's gonna buy this apart from like a fucking millionaire? Like, Supreme has fully just outdone themselves like this season. I already know this is probably going to be like 50k minimum, and I can't lie, as much as this pisses me off, yeah, like this is actually a pretty cool thing. Like, the whole interior of like the trailer is like decked out in like Supreme items, which I sort of low-key like. And also like the rain cover on it, which is, you know, like is gas, because like you pull it down and like it says Supreme on there, which, you know, I rate. So moving on to the next accessory, we have the trunk, and this is straight up gas. I can't even lie. Like, I need one of these just to put my shoes in, or, you know, just bits and bobs. Like, this is gas. But it does come in 2 colorways, and get that leopard print the fuck out of it, because who the hell is even purchasing that? Like, I need the Supreme red with the Supreme going all over. Like, that is heavy. Like this is probably one of my most favorite accessories of the season. Okay, cool. So that was the trunk. Moving on to the last item, we have the water gun. Is this unnecessary as fuck? Yes. Is this childish as fuck? Yes. Is this going to be pricey as fuck? Yes. Am I still going to buy this item? Yes. Come on now. Like, this looks so fucking gas, I can't lie. Like, as much of a child I might sound right now, like, I'm actually so gas for this item. Like, this actually looks like a well done like water gun. And to be fair, both colorways just slap differently as well. And yeah, like, I rate this item a lot. So yeah, that's going to be it for the highlight items. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.